Diourito Balbuna, born August 31st, 1982, also known as Diwata, is a Filipino internet personality, food vlogger, entrepreneur, and advocate within the LGBTQ+ community. Best known for his business Diwata Pairs Overload, Balbuna was also one of the nominees of Vendors Party List for the 2025 Philippine House of Representatives elections. Balbuna was born on August 31st, 1982, in northern Samar, finishing secondary education at Don Juan F. Avalon National High School in San Roque, northern Samar. At the age of 17, Balbuna moved to Metro Manila, where he found work as a beautician. Diwata later diversified into trading, selling coffee, cigarettes, and candies, alongside construction work to supplement income. Diwata's Pairs business gained attention on social media for its perceived value, offering a meal of unlimited rice, soup, and a soft drink for Philippine peso 100. Before becoming a food vendor, Diwata was a contestant on the Miss Q and a segment of the Philippine television program It's Showtime in 2019. In April 2024, he became a cast member of Batang Quiapo. Diwata ran in the 2025 Philippine House of Representatives elections as fourth nominee for the Vendors Party List, an organization seeking party list representation. However, the party list failed to secure a seat. Controversies. In 2016, Balbuna first went viral for his strut at a police station in Pasay after being involved in an incident where he reported to acquaintances using illegal drugs beneath the JW Diokno Bridge. The complaint escalated into a physical altercation, during which Balbuna was wounded on his forehead and arm with a cutter by the person he had reported. On April 16, 2024, Balbuna was arrested in connection with a slight physical injury case filed against him in 2018. He was released the same day after posting bail of Philippine peso 3,000. On February 28, 2025, Diwata apologized after pictures of him wearing indigenous costumes were criticized along with inappropriate gestures against indigenous peoples in the Cordillera Administrative Region during the Panagbenga Festival in Baguio by the National Commission on Indigenous Peoples, which called it cultural appropriation. In February 2026, Diwata was arrested over non-compliance of his Diwata Pairs eatery. He was released 24 hours later after posting bail of Philippine peso 60,000. Awards. In May 2024, Balbuna was awarded Most Sensational Media Personality of the Year at the Gawa Dangle Filipino Awards 2024 and Social Media Influencer of the Year at the Asia's Golden Icon Awards. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.